Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we will write letter D and G. So, how to write letter D? You have written letter C. Now, D also begins in the same way. Slant, touch the top line, come down a little, go back, make half oval, and when you reach this point, we will start moving up. Now, after joining here, we will go up straight. Touch the top red line, come down on this line till here, and then little curve and slant kick. Once again, slant, touch the blue line, curve, come down, make half oval. Now when you reach this point, we will start going up, 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 touch the red line, come down till here, curve and slant kick. Now you will write this 4 times, 1, 2, 3rd and 4th. Okay. So now I will tell you the possible mistakes that sometimes you may do. First of all, some children I have noticed while writing C, they do not come down. They do not come down from here. Now what happens in this case is, so this D is flat from the top, which is wrong. Then some children do not know how to go up straight. So what they do is, either they go slant this way or they go slant this way. Even a little tilt is wrong. Suppose children tilt very little. So this tilt will also be considered wrong. Now, you have to come down on the same line. So if you do not come down on the same line, your D will become like this. Don't separate from this line. And please do not make a very big curve. I have seen in A also some children are making a very big curve. And one more common mistake here is, now did you see the loop formation? This loop formation is wrong. And see, no curve here at all. This point is wrong. So once again, one more thing. Some children have started making a long beginning line. In A, I have seen a long beginning line. And some children, what they do, they write A like this part. Now the children who write A like this can write D also like this. So this is also wrong. So coming back to the first formation, we will go up, slant, curve, come down, go back, half oval, and then go up straight, come down on the same line. This should be a this should be a one line. Okay, there should not be two lines like this. This is wrong. Now from here you will come down, little curve and slant kick. Now coming to the next letter, letter G. Letter G will start with a slant, come down, go up, join and come down straight. Little curve, go up and curve and cut from the blue line. One more time, please see, watch the formation. Little curve, go up, cut from the blue line. Okay, now the possible mistakes are, again, if you do not curve from here, your G will become like this, pointed from the top. Then this mistake is also wrong. This mistake is also wrong from here. If you come, please make a thin loop. If you make a fat loop, your G will look like this. Cut from the blue line. If you do not cut from the blue line, if you cut from here, wrong. And after cutting, if you go like this, is also wrong. One more thing, a long tail is wrong. Some children are still writing A like this, and some children, you know what they do? While writing A, they come till here, and then this formation is also wrong. So the correct formation is, please see once again, join from here, come down straight, little curve and cut from the blue line, small tail and stop. Alright children, bye, happy writing.